call me and tell me log out right now and don't come back.
Oh, the one for Tom McDonald's?
Yeah, but me I tell you, them take all the whole lot of people when they are front beach gone with them.
Oh, ice can with them?
Yeah.
Who tell her that? Who tell her that?
The boss were in charge of McDonald's himself, the man in charge of white man call the company and to go away.
Jaja.
Blessed dear viewers and subscribers. Welcome to the boss with another video. Yo, which part me there? Which part me there? Put up it in the comment. Yo, which part me there? Which part me there? Don't play with me on which part me there. Yesterday I give a $3,000 credit. Listen, when somebody win, that's it. I can't give it so much of my digital credit. But anyway, you don't know people need the credit. Big up on yourself when you being some lovely supporters. Big up. Put God first and make we get down in this. So, bro God, make a public announcement yesterday. Yes, Prime Minister make a public announcement. So it's fair enough since me a vlog about the whole situation 3 days now to put this out there. So I want to listen and put in a comment. It sound like him a roll back him salary increase or what. But when I understand or get a clarification about, it's just him. He never said the other people him from the parliament. You understand? Finance minister, etc. He never said that. He said the prime minister, which is him. So I don't know if I true Mark Golden did come out and say him go give fee money to organization or whatever. And him did a talk like him no want no periods. Although all of them things that come like some chicks to me. You know, chicks are for kids, you understand? Yeah, cause there's no way a man will get salary increase and I denounce it. But anyway, take a listen what Prime Minister say. Watch and listen.
Nevertheless, it is important that the country is assured that its leader symbolically and truthfully understands their concerns. As your leader, I do. Therefore, I have directed the Transformation Implementation Unit to remove the Prime Minister's compensation from the new salary scale. The Prime Minister's compensation will therefore remain at its previous levels. To be clear, no retroactive payments will apply to the Prime Minister's pay. I firmly believe that when this new compensation scheme is completed and all anomalies are resolved, coupled with the new performance management and accountability system, which will be implemented, we will see an increase in the motivation and productivity of the public sector, including that of ministers, councillors, and MPs. Jamaica has a unique opportunity at this time to truly set the stage to attract greater talents and skills into the political domain and demand performance from us to earn your confidence. We should not let this opportunity pass only to be confronted by it in the near future. I ask for your understanding and support.
Well, one thing I can say, more time when I hear Andrew Holness talk, you feel sorry for him in a sense, like I say. You know, so much pressure, load, upon him back in my fear. You know, sometimes you ever feel like a compassion for him. But nevertheless, if I never did the organization, one group will come together, say, them are going to come out on Labor Day. Because they are put the puzzle together. One group come out, say them are come out Labor Day. The head of the churches, because they want it to roll back. So Andrew announced that yesterday evening and to the Labor Day, and today the people indeed supposed to come out. Watch and listen.
The government is coming under increased pressure to roll back the massive increase given to politicians. Calls are being made for Jamaicans to boycott all state-planned and politician-led activities on Labor Day. The details in this report.
On Thursday, the Jamaica Council of Churches joined the list of local groups calling for a rollback of the massive wage increase politicians gave themselves.
All right, that. So, when you hear what I go on, so I can watch and say, sorry about the truck there. Anyway, guys, remember to tell me which one there in a video. And when you have some credit, I don't know the link already. All right, guys, so here I go on. I'm going to play a voice recording somebody sent to me. I want to put this as a public, or should I say international announcement. People who live in Florida, please, if you can't take Eid, you take Eid and leave. If you not straight. Because the man then dep on the tail. Yeah, the man then want get all of the illegal people them out of them country. You understand? If only they are fire no much years and no straight out on yourself and no live and feel say that's all it go be. Some of them are not sorry for no. See dancehall artists there, them hold him, I don't know what happened to him. But anyway, when I listen what going up in Florida, watch and listen.
Yeah, them go Front Beach and Pier Park, them take out the people them. So Joe, the man in charge of McDonald's, them call me and tell me log out right now and don't come back.
Oh, the one for Top Drive, McDonald's?
Yeah, but me I tell you, them take out the whole of the people them when they are Front Beach gone with them.
Oh, Ice gone with them?
Yeah.
Who tell her that? Who tell her that?
The boss were in charge of McDonald's himself, the man in charge of white man call the company and to go away.
Jaja. I must say I...
Them take the whole and them say we're not, yeah, don't know, in case over now.
Oh, so you're not... Oh, so you're not...
Them go with one of the boss them go with one of the boss them too. Cause show them have the people them at work. You see me?
Them going with that one. What's the boss? Say that about the manager?
When I walk, yeah, white man them, yeah.
Jaja.
You have to go with them. Mr. J, I'm breathless, Maron. Bomba, I said this morning, me I come up, me I said to myself, so put on an undershirt. That me I said to myself, saying, you know, what I was stripping there, you know, you have to get like, you know, them just strip off them loads saying, I'm McDonald's and run out.
Jaja, so you ask them, so what are on the front of McDonald's right now?
Well, left it, and the people them alone were straight there. I work, well, left it, they will run out, cause one thing with Bree, I know Bree already, the young girl work there, the manager girl. She said, Joe's on the left now, and Joe said, Joe's on the left out, now make them more than no go on.
That don't sound good.
Brother, work done now, brother, no work that they have to me, brother. Me have to just find a way to go to New York, you know. You can't say that so. Nothing that they have to me, brother.
Aye.
They are them start already.
I'm gonna swing by.
It's me already, brother. This is a good thing said. Jay, a good thing to me before me put out with me used to do tracks and feel I run. I strip up. You want to me a strip in a McDonald's?
Ja, no, star. I swear. Them a mess.
Them not the people them, the McDonald's. The people them they are work, the Jamaican people them in a papers. That's why we make the chairman and the rest of them a chat, fuck me, and say fuck them a chat. And people that are papers, them a lock up, brother. I think it's personal. And people that are papers and me, we come up on the visa, and we, them a lock up, brother. People are not even a break there again. The people them don't bother, them don't start talking, they're sitting there already. See them down with one of the bars in the McDonald's, Front Beach, you know. I'm saying to trying to talk to the people get locked up.
Boy, this thing gonna get serious and serious.
When I get serious, my boss tell me to try and leave the country for it, and I'm much far with it. Cause them come up there and ask him for the city, but them not have nothing for sure. You see what I say?
Yeah.
Cause cash now. We look for beer white people are coming, so they move and them not clap, and to run after that. But I'm not cash. No. It's when we are come out, the white people are laughing. They see me and say, woman.
The state's tough immigration law just isn't working out. Most immigration workers left, so this farmer hired Americans. Problem is, he says, most show up late, work slower, and are ready to head home after lunch. Some even quit after just one day out in the field. And farmers say many Americans are not physically fit and simply don't work fast enough.
Many of our local farmers are dependent on immigrant labor to pick their crops every day. And that's the produce you and I are buying in the grocery store. But many of the men I spoke with agree that immigrants need to be legalized in some form or fashion. Several of the farmers I spoke with today off camera say the inconsistency of the immigration law is already hitting their business. They told me workers are simply moving to states who do not have immigration laws, and they say that.
Sony here for yourself, guys. Big up on yourself. And Sony in the next vlog, just go and enjoy the scenery. You understand? Beautiful Jamaica. You understand? Big up on yourself. Thanks for watching. Put a like, leave a comment, share this video with importance. Alright? Big up on yourself. One love, one heart, Let's get together and you know what? Let's stop and buy some fish over here. So look more guys. Bye.